Welcome to our channel Life Insights. This time we are going to explore into what the famous philosopher and thinker U.G. Krishnamurti had told. He told that mind is a myth. The very same day, the mind has separated us from the nature. All the problems have started. Whatever problem we are facing today, the origin is there in this statement, that is, mind is a myth. All the problems have been created by the mind. Problems are created by our own thoughts. He wants to say this one only. Mind is the root cause of all the problems we are facing. Even if we take terrorism, it is not the problem of today. It had started from the very day that human beings had separated from the nature. The terrorist thinks that he is separate from the other fellow human beings. That's why he is not hesitating to kill others. He is not hesitating to harass others. Similarly, why does violence exist? The man who is ready to kill other, he is violent. Why he is so violent? Because he thinks that he is entirely different from the other human beings. Why wars are happening? Wars are happening on the basis that the other country is completely against the previous country. They are against each other, but in reality they belong to the same humanity. But mind plays the trick that they are different. Similarly, for any human problems, mind is the root cause of the problem. Mind has created all these problems. Another one example we will take, the corruption. Why people are corrupted? Because people think that the other fellow human beings are different from themselves. So a particular person is corrupted. He is self-centered. Again, self-centeredness is because of this statement, this reality called mind is a myth. It seems that mind is the only reality which we are having, but it is illusory. Then how to solve this duality arises? Another one faculty is there, faculty of inquiry. Instrument of inquiry is within us, that is awareness. Awareness is very much related to meditation. In a sense, there is no difference between awareness and meditation. Awareness means we are to closely watch the thoughts. There is an entity called silence. Silence is beyond mind. When the mind is absent, silence takes place. That's why all the spiritual tradition emphasize on being silent. It seems silence is the beginning of enlightenment. It is the end of the ignorance. Why we are in ignorance? Because mind is a myth. We are always following the mind. If we are following the mind, certainly troubles will be coming up. Humanity's all the problems are contained in this statement, mind is a myth. So we have to go beyond mind. There is a state called no mind. No mind means absence of mind. Then peace will arrive unto us, that is eternal. That peace can act through our own mind, but mind cannot produce silence. The truth acts through our mental faculty. That's why We have to be very much aware about our own thought process. The secret lies between the thought process. If we observe very closely, we can solve all the problems. The secret is there only. So for a spiritual seeker, this statement, mind is a myth, is a very important statement. If one can understand this, then all the problems will be solved. All the conflicts will disappear from his life. So this statement, mind is a myth, is very, very important. One must understand the significance of this statement, mind is a myth. When we fully understand this statement, mind is a myth, we will be able to go beyond the mind. Then we will be in the state called silence. Once again, we will be coming up with another one video describing another one aspect of life.